Ciao beautiful people, I'm Daniele Uditi, the chef of Pizzana, and today I'm in the Gozney studios to show you how to make these beautiful roasted artichokes in the Gozney dome. Che bella cosa è una giornata sola, all'aria serena, troppa una tempesta, che l'aria fresca pare già una festa. Che bella cosa una giornata sola. For you. All right, beautiful people. One of my favorite vegetables to make is a pain in the butt to clean, but it's very, very delicious. Artichokes. So I'm gonna show you how to clean it very easily. And grab always the one that has a little leg, because this is extra flavor, extra product too. So you just wanna bite into that. It's very creamy and delicious. What you're gonna do first, you're gonna take your knife, tilt it. Always tilt it. And use your knuckles as a guide so you don't cut yourself. And you just want to follow the roundness of the artichoke. So you get rid of all the leaves that you don't need. And you tilt it, go straight. There you go. And you can see that you're doing it right because the product shows like this little yellowish. That's how the hearts look like. And then what you want to do, you want to follow the yellow line until where the leaves are more soft. You just want to go there and cut. When you see this part, in Italy we call the beard of the artichokes, la barba, you go inside with your spoon and you just cut it. But first, just want to remove a little bit of the leg and make an incision around the leg, just a little incision. And then from here, just clean the rest of your leaves. Just go inside with a knife, peel it off. And then from here, you see that inside of the artichokes has a lighter color. This lighter color is your guide to cut all the fibrous stuff. Now you're just gonna remove the beard. Just go inside with your spoon, twist it. And then you have a clean artichokes. And you wanna put it in water, and I squeezed a couple of lemon in here, because artichokes tends to brown very fast, to oxidize very fast, so the acid in the water with the lemon will prevent that. Now we're gonna clean all of them. My mom used to make it always like that, right? And me and my brothers, especially the first brother I have, he loves artichokes hearts. So he will wait for you to go through each leaves, and then at the end, like the biggest, I don't want to say bad words, but you know, you got the point, right? So it comes with a fork, goes and eats a heart. So you spend the whole time chewing on a freaking peel, and he gets the reward. So you know what? When I made this dish at the restaurant, I said, you know what? I'm just gonna go straight to the heart so nobody fights, and I'm gonna get what I want. So that's the reason why this dish was born. So if you see me frustrated by preparing these artichokes, it's because I think about my brother that stole all the artichokes from me. That's for you, my brother. I love you. All right, artichokes are clean. They're in the water and lemon. And also we're gonna use the same water to cook them. So they're gonna have actually lemon flavor. And then we're gonna cook these artichokes for roughly 10-15 minutes until they're nice and soft, or otherwise we'll go to 20 minutes. I'll see you in a bit. After 15 minutes, look how beautiful is this artichokes. And it still has the white color, the green color preserved because of the lemon water. We're just gonna put it on a cutting board. There you go. So now they're all cooked. See, it's very soft. You can even break it apart with your hands. That means it's super tender inside. But we're gonna take these artichokes to the next level, meaning we're gonna char it in the dome. Just put this in a cast iron pan. You can use your knife if you don't wanna cut it with your hands, but sometimes I like it because it gives you the rustic separation. See, there you go. So once you have in a cast iron pan, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Don't be afraid to season your food. Just go for it. That's the difference between a home cook and a chef. Seasoning. Now we're ready for the wood fire oven. We put beautiful little pieces of wood. That's how we have a smoke. So this is gonna have the charred, the smoky flavor. All right. Nice and charred artichokes, and when they're hot, I like to take a lemon and just squeeze it in it. Kind of creating like a warm lemon dressing. Mint, just tear it apart. Don't need to be fancy. And mint and artichokes is a pair. It's very classical in Italy, especially in Rome. There you go. You see, you create a little bit of juice. This juice is gonna be the sauce for your artichokes. Gonna finish with a little bit more salt, a little bit more pepper, olive oil. There you go. Now you have roasted artichokes already with a warm lemon dressing. We're gonna plate, shave some Parmigiano Reggiano underneath, add some lemon zest too, and we're gonna plate. The smell is incredible. Gonna finish with fresh lemon zest. Your lemon wedge on the side, more Parmigiano, and fresh mint leaves. There you have it. Roasted artichokes with mint and a warm lemon dressing. So easy to make. Beside the cleaning of the artichokes, just boiling it and roasting it, guys. I hope you guys share this recipe, and you can find it on gozney.com. And please cook with your family, kiss your children, and let them eat vegetables. Oh my God, that smells so good. And I don't have to fight with my brothers now. That's for you. Come on. It's creamy, salty, umami. You're gonna cook this, you don't wanna share with anybody. Trust me.